If you still have your savings in a regular savings account, what are you doing? In this video, I'll be going over the top high yield savings accounts that you can open right now with updated APY. High yield savings accounts are great places to store your emergency fund or short-term savings, and they provide sweet passive income. I took the time and researched all the best high yield savings accounts, so I'll be going over the best high yield savings accounts you can open right now, the pros and cons of each, and go over step by step on where and how to open these accounts. Now, what is a high yield savings account and why should you open one? Let me ask you a question. Why do you still have your savings in a regular savings account? How much interest does the bank pay you for storing your money there? I guarantee you it's pennies. High yield savings accounts are absolutely necessary simply because they pay you so much more compared to regular savings accounts just for keeping your money inside the account. This allows your money to grow way faster compared to keeping your money in a regular savings. The higher your annual percentage yield or APY, the faster your money grows, and that's what we call true passive income. Before we get into the video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe as it helps me out so much at no cost to you. Number 7 on this list is the Wealthfront Cash Management Account. So many people talk about Wealthfront and use Wealthfront, and for good reason. If you look down here, they currently have a 5% APY, which is really high. If you scroll down here, their pros include zero account fees, unlimited transfers, and free same-day withdrawals, up to $8 million FDIC insurance through partner banks, and no minimum or maximum balances. They have unlimited transfers and free same-day withdrawals, and so much more. Now, who is this account best for? It's good for anyone who wants a high APY with a trusted financial services company. To open an account with Wealthfront, all you have to do is go to Wealthfront's website here, click on Start Saving with $1, click on Just Me, put in your information, and just go through all the steps. Now, how much can you make with Wealthfront's cash management account? Let's check it out. So let's say you put in $10,000 as initial deposit, and you contribute $0 per month after that, over a period of just 1 year, with a 5% APY. You would make $500 just for keeping your money inside the account. That's pretty great. Next up, we have the American Express High Yield Savings Account. American Express is well known and for good reason. They have so many different products, including credit cards such as the Gold and the Platinum, and they have a great high yield savings account with a 4.35% APY. Some pros of the American Express High Yield Savings Account include that it's easy to use, there's no monthly fees, no minimum balance or deposit requirements, 24/7 customer support, and it's FDIC insured for up to $250,000. The only small cons include not having branch access and no ATM access. So who is this account best for? It's good for anyone who already owns American Express products, who want to seamlessly integrate a high yield savings account into the American Express ecosystem. All you have to do to open an account is go to Amex's site right here and click on open an account and choose if you're a current card member, a savings account holder, or a brand new member. Click begin after that. Go through this step, and then just put in all your information and just go through all the steps. So how much can you make with Amex? Let's say you put in $10,000 with a $0 monthly contribution over a period of just 1 year with the 4.35% APY. You would make $435 just for keeping your money inside the Amex High Yield Savings Account. Pretty good. Next up, we have the Ally High Yield Savings Account. Ally Bank is a popular online bank among people seeking strong rates and convenient customer service. So you can see on the website here that Money ranks this the #1 online bank in America, and there's so many pros. So for example, it's a solid APY of 4.35%. There's no monthly fees, no minimum for deposits, no maintenance fees, and they offer something called saving buckets, which help you pretty much save for separate goals. This account is also FDIC insured for up to $250,000. Some small cons include not having the highest APY and the fact that it's online only, so there's no physical branches. This account honestly is good for anyone who just doesn't mind doing their banking online. All you have to do to open an account is go to Ally's site here and click open a new account and click on whatever option you want. So I don't have one, click continue, click on individual, click on savings, put in your amount, click add this account, and then just go through all the steps. How much can you make with Ally's high yield savings account? Let's say you put in $10,000 in the beginning, $0 monthly contribution over a period of just 1 year with the 4.35% APY. You would also make $435 on your money just for keeping it inside the account. Pretty dang good. Next up, we have the Capital One High Yield Savings Account. So Capital One is one of the most reputable banks in the US as they offer great products such as the Capital One X Venture Card, and they also offer a great high yield savings account that is very popular. So some pros of the Capital One High Yield Savings Account include a 4.35% APY, which is very solid, no monthly fees, no minimum deposits required, no maintenance fees, and it's also FDIC insured for up to $250,000. The only cons include not having the highest APY, and there's only a few Capital One branches across the US. If you're someone who doesn't mind doing banking online and you happen to have other Capital One products, this could be a great account for you. All you have to do to make an account is go to Capital One's website here, click open an account, click on do you already have a Capital One login, yes or no, and just go through all the steps. How much can you make? Same thing here, $10,000 with a $0 monthly contribution over a period of just 1 year and a 4.35% APY. You would also make $435 on your money just for keeping it inside your account. Pretty good. Next up, we have the Discover High Yield Savings Account. So Discover is one of the top online financial institutions in the US. They offer great products for every type of customer, including great starter credit cards. So with Discover, you have so many pros. If you just look down here, they have a 4.35% APY, $0 monthly fees, $0 insufficient fund fees, and there's $0 minimum opening deposit. You also never pay fees for the following: so monthly maintenance, official bank checks, excessive withdrawals, account closure, insufficient funds, and more. The only cons include not having physical branch access. If you're someone who already uses a Discover product, this could be a great account for you. All you have to do to open an account is go to Discover's website here, click open an account. If you're new to Discover, click on continue here, but if you already have a Discover account, click continue on the right side. So I'm gonna click here. All you have to do is just put all your information in and just go through all the steps. Now, how much can you earn with Discover? $10,000 with a $0 monthly contribution over just 1 year. The 4.35% APY, you'd make $435 on your money just for keeping it inside the account. Next up, we have the Betterment High Yield Cash Account. Betterment is a financial services company that offers services such as retirement, investing, and cash management. They offer a great high yield cash account with a super high APY of 4.75%. The best part is that you can actually increase this APY by 0.75% all the way up till 5.5% with the qualifying deposit. Some other pros include no monthly fees, unlimited withdrawals, no minimum balance, a great mobile app, and it's FDIC insured by partner banks for up to $2 million. The only cons that I can think of is that it has no physical branch access, and that's about it. Honestly, this account is really good for anyone who doesn't mind banking online. All you have to do to get started is go to Cash and then click High Yield Cash Account. Then click Get Started. You're going to click on Save with the High Yield Cash Account, and then just put in all your information and just go through all the steps. Now, how much can you make with a 5.5% APY? Let's check it out. So $10,000 with a $0 monthly contribution over just 1 year with a 5.5% APY. You would make $550 on your money just for keeping it inside the account. Pretty good. Last but not least, we have the Marcus by Goldman Sachs High Yield Savings Account. Marcus by Goldman Sachs is the most popular high yield savings account simply due to a great reputation in the finance space and an excellent product offering. So you can see here that Marcus currently offers a 4.5% APY, but if you refer a friend, you can receive up to 5.5% APY for 3 months. Some other pros of the Marcus by Goldman Sachs High Yield Savings Account include no monthly fees on savings accounts, no minimum deposits on savings, and it's FDIC insured for up to $250,000. Some small cons include no checking accounts, no ATM network, and no physical branches. So who is this account best for? It's good for anyone who wants to open one of the most popular high yield savings accounts available right now. All you have to do to open an account is go to Marcus's website here, click open an account, click on online savings account, and then just go through all the information and just go through all the steps. So how much can you make with a 4.5% APY from Marcus? So $10,000 with a $0 monthly contribution over 1 year with a 4.5% APY. You can expect to make $450 on your $10,000 just for keeping your money inside the account. Pretty good. So instead of earning basically zero interest on your money, keeping your money in a high yield savings account will give you so much more interest on your hard-earned cash. Think about it. Who doesn't want passive income? Keep in mind that any interest that you earn will be taxed as ordinary income, so you will need to pay taxes on your earnings. That is it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, my name is Paul, and I talk all things money, finance, and investing. So if you like this type of content, please smash that like button and subscribe for more future videos just like this. Your life is a masterpiece, so let's unlock your full financial potential together. And with that, I will catch you in the next video. Take care.